was kind of crazy.
No, it's all good.
Um, how did you guys do on the homework?
It took longer, but I did all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I was kind of confused for some of it, but then, I don't know. I watched some of the videos and it helped a lot. But... Okay, so do you guys want to get started?
Yeah.
Sure.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm ready to get started.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Great. For 6, did you get mean as 150.8 and standard deviation 8.8?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. And for A, did you get 0.053?
Yeah, for the Z equals.
Well, the z-score I got 1.6136, and then the probability was, yeah, okay. Do you guys have any questions?
No.
Okay. Did you guys get for the z-score negative 1.282?
Yeah, I got negative 1.2816, and that's
Yeah,
what
me
the
too. But
that's what the answer key says. But I mean, it seems close enough.
yeah, because it would round up to the same
Yeah.
thing. Can you hear her?
I can't hear right now.
I can't either.
It looks like it froze up or something.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, good. That was really weird. Okay, so did you get the same thing on B, negative 1.282?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, and then C, did you guys get 139.5?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys want to talk or do you want me to keep going?
No, you're fine.
Okay. Did you get the mean of 18,000 and standard deviation of 600?
Yeah, 1800.
Yeah, 1800, sorry.
No, it's okay.
I'm bad with numbers. Okay. And then, let's see. So, did you guys get, for B on 7, 0.1217?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just this one took me a second for some reason, but I got it eventually.
Yeah, it wasn't that one. It was, this next one, C. No, yeah, C, that took me a long time to figure out. But anyways, did you get 0.878?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then did you get 0.309?
Yeah. Like that's the
This is for D.
Yeah, for D.
0.308.
Yeah, I got 9. I just rounded to
Oh
the
yeah, 8.5.
third.
Yeah, so down to 9.
Yeah. Okay, and then this one took me forever to figure out, but I think I finally did. So you figure out the two z-scores, right? For both of those.
Yeah, for
And then you only take, like, for the 1500, you only take the bottom part of the applet, and you use the other side of that, right? And then, no, I'm getting confused. So, how did I do that? I can't remember.
so it's you do the z-score for both the 1500 and the 2500, and then you it's like the subtraction. That's where I got messed up too.
Okay.
yeah, I didn't
Wait, what?
I didn't understand this problem.
Yeah, it took me forever to figure out, but so you only use like the bottom part of the applet for the 1500, and you use the probability, and that's what the 0.3085 came from, right? And then for the 2500, you use the bottom and the middle portion of the applet for probability. And then that's where the 0.8783 came from, right? And you just
Yes.
subtract those to get the 0.5698.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it took a lot of.
Mine looked a little different than the answer key, so I think that's what threw me off. But
Yeah, well, and I was trying to figure out. It's because 1500 is less than the mean, and that's why you use the bottom part of the applet. And then 2500 is bigger than the mean, so you use the bottom and the middle, right?
yeah,
Okay.
that
So,
makes sense.
yeah, I think that's how it works. Not exactly sure. I don't tutor this class, so I don't know. But yeah. Okay, and then for F, this the third quartile is the 75th percentile.
Yep.
Yeah, and then did you guys get 2204.4 for X?
For the meters per second.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
That
I had
was,
to check it, but like I didn't get it at first, but I think I'll have to go through it again.
yeah, it took me a while to figure out that one too. So the mean was 1800 from the problem before, right? And then the then you add 0.67449, which is the z-score. You times it by the standard deviation 600.
100. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, and it confused me too because you have to times the z-score and the standard deviation before you add or subtract anything. I had to figure that out first, which is kind of obvious. But, yeah. Okay, and then for the graphs, Did you get not normal for A?
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, not normal. Sorry, I was
And
that.
then, and then B is not normal. Is that
Yep.
curve? And then C, I'm not quite sure why this one is normal. I only know that because of the answer sheet. Because it looked really, I don't know, like really
I think
curved.
because it's like clustered together, kind of.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I probably would have said not normal.
Yeah, but maybe because it's more of a line than you know how some of the other ones are like straight up and down, but there's like these weird outliers.
Yeah.
And then D is normal, right? So you guys
Yeah,
Yeah.
got?
he's normal.
Okay, and then not normal for E, and normal for F.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so we're good?
Yeah.
I hope so. I think so.
Yeah. We'll see on the test, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys ready for the quiz?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. Number 1. The total area under a density curve must equal 1.
Yeah. Um,
I guess I can do this one. Under certain circumstances, a density curve can drop below the x-axis.
False.
False, yeah.
Okay. And then a normal density curve is symmetric. Is that true?
It's symmetric.
Okay. Which of the following elements of the figure represent the score in this image? The
Is it C?
yeah.
Z
Right.
squared, yeah.
Okay.
Um, which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1? Um,
Um,
is it B or
I think it's none of these
not? Yeah,
represent because yeah, I don't
because
know.
it's not like completed. I don't know. I don't know how to say it.
Yeah, I'm not sure either. Well, like it doesn't make sense because the probability is the area and it's up above and there's not even a letter connected to it. So
Yeah.
I hope I'm not telling you wrong.
Yeah.
No, I mean it seems right.
Yeah. Um, okay. Is it my turn to read?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry. According to the 6895 99.7 rule, what proportion of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation of the mean? So 68.
Yeah. Yeah. Um, Suppose that z-scores came from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as a decimal, accurate to 3 decimal places.
So do you guys get 0.683?
Applets.
I guess, yeah, that would make. I haven't calculated it yet. Wait, you-
Um, 0.683. Yeah, rounded it up to 3 decimals places. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values from this random variable will be between -2 and 2?
So 0.655. I mean 0.955.
yeah, 955.
Yes. Yes. 0.9. I keep switching pages. 55.
Okay.
Uh,
Oh, sorry, is it your turn?
yours. Yeah.
Yeah, is it your turn or is it mine? I'm not sure.
I'll go.
Okay.
Suppose that z-scores came from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal applet to answer this question. What proportion of the values will be between -3 and 3?
So 0.997.
Yep.
Okay. Look carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions. What did you observe? The values match the 98, 95, 99.7 rule.
Yeah, the other ones don't make any sense.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that should suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram of body weight. The population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.66 grams, and so on. And the population standard deviation is 0.07. Use this information to answer questions 14 through 17. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60?
Okay. So, okay. Okay.
So, just to make sure I'm doing this right. We go, we use the 0.6 grams, and then we minus 0.66 from that, 'cause that's the average, and then we divide it by the standard deviation.
Yeah. Yeah, and then you get the z-score, and do you put it in the applet and then get the probability? Is that what you do?
Yeah.
Okay. And it would be the left part of the applet, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, so I got 0.196.
So we're doing 0.60 minus 0.66, and then do you multiply that times the standard deviation?
No, you divide it.
Divide it, okay. I don't know why I said that.
No, you're fine. And then you get the z-score, and then you put it in the applet.
Okay, I got 0.609.
You got what?
0.609.
I'm sorry, say that again?
0.609.
609. See, I got 0.196.
Mm,
What was your z-score?
it negative 0.8857.
Yeah, that's what I got too. So for the applet, did you just did you click on the left side or did you click on the main?
Uh, I clicked on just like the middle part.
Okay, so I clicked on the left side because it's saying
Okay, so I clicked on like,
yeah,
okay,
less than, right?
yeah, okay, yeah. So that, yeah, so now it's 0.196.
Yeah, zero, because you guys got what, negative 0.857, that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it into, yeah, 0.0196.
0.195 because you click on the left side because it's less than,
Okay.
right? At least that's what I thought.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I could be totally wrong. I'm sorry if I am. um, and then okay, so for more than for 14, I'm not sure if you click on the middle and the right part or just the right part.
Like,
Are you guys on
I,
full?
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay, so sorry, what?
I'd assume it's just the right part,
I
but
do.
uh,
Yeah, I think you're right. So it would have the same probability, portion, whatever.
yeah.
Okay. Should we move on to 17 then? I mean 15? Sorry.
I was like, whoa.
Okay. So 7 subtract. Okay, so did you guys get a z-score of 0.571?
Yep.
Yeah, 0.571.
Mm-hmm.
So, for less than I got 0.284.
Yeah, me too. Did you get the same thing, Peter?
Is this for 15 or 16?
15.
15.
Let me re-put it in. I know I didn't get what you guys got. So less than. Yeah, mine is, I don't know, I feel like I'm screwing it up.
No, that's fine. What did you get? Well, I guess what did you get for your z-score?
Z-score, um, I can't be, it's negative 0.63, does that make any sense?
Okay, so for the z-score, you would take 0.70, and then you would subtract the mean, which is
Point,
0.66.
let me just make sure I get it once. 0.04, is that what you guys are getting?
We got 0.571. That's what you got, right, Krista?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then to put that into the applet.
Yeah, so you put it on the z-score, and then you highlight the bottom part, the left part of the applet.
Okay.
And then we got 0.284.
0.284. Now I'm getting it. It was, I think I had like touched the set points or something. It was screwed up.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Whose turn is it to read? I'm not sure.
I can read it.
Okay.
Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.60 and 0.70. Reminder that to find the answer between two values, shade to the left of each z-score. You calculate and then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. Make sure your answer is positive.
Okay. Let's see here. 6 subtract. Okay. And then, okay, so did you guys get the z-scores for both?
I just took I just took them from the same, from 13 and 14 and 15.
Okay. Yeah, so you got negative 0.857 and 0.5714, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what do you do after that?
So I took
Hmm.
mm, so from those z-scores, I took just the ones in 14 and 15. Well, actually, it'd be 13 and 15. I just minus those because it talked about how that was the area
I think
that
you have to find the probability for those first, and
So
then I think you subtract it. Does that make sense?
yeah.
yeah, I think you put in the z-scores, and then after you subtract, I want to say.
Yeah, I think that's what you do. Okay.
8, 5, 7.
Hey, my computer's dying. I'm gonna go plug it in. I'll be back one sec.
Yeah.
Where's your cord? Wait, never mind. I found it. Go back. Okay. Okay. Did you guys get 0.0883?
Mm, I'm still lost with this.
Me too.
Okay. Um. Okay, so I just got the z-scores first for 0.6 and 0.7. I think we're both there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then for the 0.6, you get the z-score of um, the negative 0.857. So I just put the z-score in the applet, and then I only highlighted the left side, and then you get the area of 0.1908. And so I just wrote that down.
I got for the area for that. I got 0.1957.
Okay, wait, what? I'm sorry.
For the area from that z-score, I got 0.1957.
Okay, so you have 0.0875 in the z-score, right?
Oh no, it's 57.
Oh yeah, you're right. Sorry, I'm
Yeah,
wrong.
I had negative 0.857.
So, yeah. And then, yeah, you get the area of 1957. Sorry.
Okay.
And then, for the sorry, I can't speak. For the other z-score, you get 0.571. So 0.5. And then, did you get the area of 0.2840?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just wrote that down, and then I took the two probabilities, and I just took the 0.284 and subtract the 0.1957.
Is that all? Is that all you have to do?
Yeah, that's
It's
all I
like,
did. And then I got 0.088.
Yeah, 0.08. Yeah, 88388.
Yeah.
So
So,
when
are we
So you're
good?
just you're just subtracting the areas from the two.
Yeah, so I'm just taking the larger area and then subtracting a smaller area.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. And,
and when she said sorry,
go
um,
on.
the three decimal places, like, does the 0 in front of the 8s count as one? Like 088, or do we need 0883?
Um, I just put 0.088.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good
Um,
question. I don't know. I don't
yeah.
know how that works.
So the only thing that I'm kind of worried about is the mean is 0.66, and in the homework, when the number was bigger than the mean for the area, you would do the left side and the middle. Um, that's how it was in the homework, but in this it just says use the left side. So hopefully we did it right, but if it's wrong, I think that's the reason why it'd be wrong, if that helps. Do you guys understand what I mean?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think I get what you're saying.
Okay. Um, all right. So it says find the 35 percentile for the protein requirement for adults. Let's see here, I'm not very good with percentiles. Do you guys remember how to do this?
Nah, I'm re-looking it up.
Yeah, I'm looking it up right now.
Because I know you put like 35 in the area. Yeah, you just put the 0.35 in the area, but do you just highlight the center? And then it gives you the z-score. And then you take the, oh, I can't remember. I'm sorry. I should, but I don't remember it. So you take the mean and you add the z-score times the standard deviation. So 0.66 plus z-score.
Wait, how do you put the mean into that again? Or I
Okay,
mean,
so
not the mean, the area.
for the area, you just go to that top box on the tablet, the applet, whatever.
So you put 0.35.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I put 0.35, and it gives you a z-score of 0.454. Is that what you guys got?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, and then you take the mean, and I just assume the mean is
0.66.
yeah, 0.66,
Okay.
and then you add the z-score times the standard deviation, and that should give you the percentile, hopefully. So yeah, I really hope I'm doing this right. If I'm not, I'm really sorry.
So are you getting 0.078?
What did you get? Sorry.
When I rounded up, I got 0.078.
Okay, I got 0.692. So you have to add the z-score and the times the standard deviation. You have to do that part first, and
Oh,
then
so
add the
it's the
0.66.
0.454 times
Yeah, did I not say that?
66?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so times, and you add the mm,
Um,
I got a
point,
different number this time. Okay, let me see. One sec, sorry.
no, it's fine.
Okay, yeah. So I got 0.692.
Okay,
Is that what you guys got?
that's what I got, like yeah, for the third time, but
One
Okay.
number went over 1, so I know it's wrong. So, yeah.
Wait, what? I'm sorry.
My number was over 1, so I'm like still redoing it. But I trust you.
Okay. Do you want me to go over it one more time?
Um, is is 18 like 17? Like we just do it the same way, right?
just
I think
the
so. Yeah.
percentile.
Okay. You can explain 18 so that like, because then I can go
Okay.
over both.
Okay. Um, so first you have to put it in the tablet on the area part. You put 0. 80? It's the 80th percentile, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I just have the center highlighted, and then it gives you the z-score at the bottom, which is 1.282. So, and then I just write down the formula because I can't think that hard. My brain hurts if I don't. So I have the mean, which is 0.66, plus the z-score, which is 1.282, times the standard deviation, which is 0.07. And you have to do the z-score times the standard deviation first, or else you get it wrong.
Okay.
So, um,
I'm gonna go grab my charger real quick.
did you get 0.74, well, 0.750?
No, my answer was definitely wrong. So you're taking how did you find the number with the standard deviation? Like where did you take the number that you added to the standard deviation from?
Wait, what? Oh, the z-score?
You got the
So,
z-score from
the applet.
from the applet. Okay.
Yeah, so you know the box that says area right next to it, it's above the curve thing.
Yeah.
So I just put 0.80 in it,
And
and then
it
I
gives
just
point
have the,
two.
sorry, what? Yeah, so 0.80 for 80%.
Yes.
I just have the center highlighted,
Okay.
and then on the bottom, right next to z-score, it tells you 1.282.
Okay. Yeah,
And
I'm seeing it
so,
now. I feel like my applet is off or something.
yeah, um, yeah, so,
Okay. Point 282.
yeah. Do you have any other questions?
Yeah. Okay. So you start out, you go 0.66, and then you minus, um,
No, you add.
you add? Okay.
Yeah. So first you have to get the z-score. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah, so that is negative 1.282.
I always use just the positive for
Okay,
this
so
one.
1.282.
So yeah, 1.282. Then the formula is the mean plus the z-score times the standard deviation. Okay. Are we good?
I yeah, I think I'm good. My phone died, which was my calculator, so
Oh,
Okay, sorry.
it's all good.
Okay. Krista, are you good?
uh, okay, so to find the standard deviation, do you have to go through that long process? Or just,
For the standard deviation, I just use the one for the one they gave us. It's 0.07.
oh, okay, so it's the same thing. Okay. So
Okay.
okay, so it's 0.135, 136,
Wait, wait, what did you get?
0.136.
I got 0.750.
I got
So,
the 0.7502 after I did it how you explained it. So
yeah, um, at least that's how they did it in the homework, so I assume that's how you're supposed to do it. So you take the mean plus the z-score times the standard deviation. And so you take 1.282 times 0.07, and then you add 0.66.
Okay. Yeah, so 0.749.
Yeah, and then you have to round up, so 0.750.
Okay.
Okay, are we good?
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
I think so.
Okay, ready to submit?